Here's a 1-minute tutorial on how to play Franz Liszt's jumper technique. Place your 1 and 5 on the middle D sharp, then press your 1 and 5 going upwards 3 times. Now play the following melody with your 1. From here, your 5 plays 1 octave lower. Repeat step 2. The melody for your 1 now changes. Lastly, play double D sharp followed by these notes. Here's a 1-minute tutorial on how to play Liszt's double tap maneuver. Step 1. Pick any starting key, preferably a black one. Place your thumb on the key and adopt an octave posture. Relax your wrist so that it remains flexible. Now break down the octave using the following fingering. The final step is to gradually improve your speed using a metronome like this. Have fun practicing. Follow and help me decide my next 1-minute tutorial. Here's a 1-minute tutorial on how to play Liszt's triple tap technique. As always, fully relax your wrist. Now play the introductory notes to create momentum. To play the triple tap, utilize the momentum from each finger press to drop the next finger. Let the fingers move into each other rather than placing one at a time. Now follow the first section with me. Make sure your wrist angle is sharp enough. Use a metronome to gradually increase your speed. Follow for more tutorials coming soon. Here's a 1-minute tutorial on how to play Liszt's demonic trill technique. Step 1. Posture. It's important to keep your wrist fully relaxed. Your palm, however, should feel strong and sturdy. This will help you differentiate your 4th and 5th fingers. Now to help speed up the trill, apply wrist motion like this to build up extra momentum. To build even more momentum, build up the trill first using your other fingers like this. Have fun practicing. Follow for Liszt's spider hand maneuver next. Here's a 1-minute tutorial on how to play Liszt's spider hand maneuver. Step 1. Pick any D sharp and adopt an octave posture. Now relax your wrist and also stretch it to prepare for some insane fingering. Play your 1 on the bass followed by the following pattern. This pattern repeats itself on each octave with slight variation in the top note. Now follow along the section using my recommended fingering. Have fun practicing. Stay tuned for Chopin's Revolutionary Run next. Here's a 1-minute tutorial on how to play Liszt's lightning octaves. Step 1. Unlock your wrist to the point that it is fully relaxed. Now that the wrist is relaxed, play the octaves as if you are throwing your hand down. The final step is to gradually increase your speed using a metronome. Have fun practicing. Follow for Liszt's triple tap technique next.